Welcome to you all, my dear friends. Today we are going to look at a young company called JG Chemicals Limited. It is in chemical sector. The management consists of Suresh Junjunwala, who is the executive chairman, the whole-time director. Anirudh Junjunwala is the managing director and CEO. Anuj Junjunwala is the whole-time director and CFO. So, JG Chemicals is the largest zinc oxide manufacturer in India and top 10 global producers also, and it has adopted the widely adopted French process technology for manufacture of zinc oxide. As of March 2022, it was holding 30% market share. It might have improved on that right now. Market cap is 1640 crores. It is a small cap therefore. So, it was incorporated in the year 1975, went for IPO very recently. For the manufacture of zinc oxide using the French process. It currently produces more than 80 different grades of zinc oxide. 80 different grades of zinc oxide. Zinc oxide has extensive industrial applications in industries such as ceramics, paints and coatings. Is it profitable? Yes, it is profitable. In Q2 itself, its profit has risen by 340.27% year on year. So that performance is very good. Its IPO was there in March 2024. So price band at that time was 210 to 221. Now it is quoting was above 400. So impressive increase in the price also. Now what are its expansion plans? We are bothered about expansion plans because that only indicates the future profitability, future sales, etc. Now it's planning a new manufacturing plant. In fact, it is building with a capacity of 12,000 to 18,000 tons per year. The plant is expected to start operations in the first quarter of FY26, which means April to June the calendar year 25. And that is new plant. Now it is also going to improve its production capacity at the existing places. Manufacturing operations will go up sizably in the existing places. Now it is also going to improve its product offerings, more product offerings in future, more R&D in future, cost efficiencies in future, and it wants to improve its customer base drastically, and it wants to improve its market share also. Already it is having a good market share, but that's not enough. It wants to improve its market share further. Current market price is around 410, 52-week range is 484, 52-week high is 484.50. Volumes are good, so buying, selling is not a problem at all. Now, JG Chemicals Q2 results, let us see. Net sales are 212 crores in Q2. Previous quarter less at 203, earlier quarter still less at 181. Its earlier quarters was still less at 161 crores and Q2 last year was 153 crores, so only current is 212 crores. So it has improved by 38.9% in sales year on year and 4.7% quarter on quarter. Raw material costs are also improving, going up. 36.1% year on year it has gone up. But net profit has gone up very sizably. 17.14 crores is the latest net profits. Previous 15.9 and a year ago quarter 4.01 only. From 4.01 it has jumped to 17.14, very sizable increase. That is 327.4% increase year on year and 7.8% increase quarter on quarter. Equity is 39.19, basic EPS is 4.21. Now if you look at the last 4 years, which are not comparable really because it was prior to IPO. So revenues were stagnating, profit after tax was stagnating, basic EPS was 10 at the time. Now, but after IPO, it has picked up speed and it is performing very, very well. Price earning is still low at 29.19. Can we call it low? Of course, it is somewhat low for chemical industry. Price to book is 4.04, that is also average, not very big. Price curve is trending upwards from August. not like this, but like this. Now, shareholding pattern, if you see that promoters holding has remained unchanged at 70.99%, which is very, very impressive. FIIs have increased their holding from 6.33 to 6.61. Institutional investors have increased their holding from 9.97 to 10.38%. So overall, if you see that net sales have gone up by 38.92% year on year, and quarterly net profit has gone up by 340.07%, EBITDA has gone up by 178.28%. Overall, it has been a very wonderful performance in Q2, but how will be the future, that only God knows. So we will wait for it. Based on the past, if we have to project it, it may be a good company. So let us be watching JG Chemicals very carefully, and whether you want to add it to your portfolio right now or in future, that depends upon your current portfolio and your own mindset. You want to be a long-term investor or short-term investor or trader, whatever. So, but of course, it is a small part of my portfolio right now. Thank you.